Iconic logos are symbols which are usually absent of text. They're relatively simple in form, which in turn makes them easy to recognise. Iconic logos are also easily married with text. There may be other versions of the logo that features the text alongside the icon. However, the iconic element, especially in this context, is the symbol. I'll now go on to show you some iconic logos of my own, and I'll explain each. Access Cabling is a fibre optic broadband company. The target shape on the chest, coupled with the crosshair, emphasise the speed and accuracy of the service. The overall icon is strong and bold, and it's distinguishable from other icons within the industry. Tytology is a corporate market research company. The outer shape shows the symbol of infinity, whilst the inner circles show pie charts to reflect statistical data. The overall symbol shows a pair of owl eyes to suggest that the company are forever monitoring the marketplace. The Enlightenment symbol was developed for a spiritual blog. The image shows a human figure standing as the element of a light bulb. With the figure inside of the light bulb, this suggests that the person is enlightened. Fusion of the arm with the shape on the left hand side also suggests connectedness and oneness. Text is left out of this design so that its meaning is subjective to the perceiver. CableNet is a telecommunications company. The mark depicts an arrangement of holes in a telephone handset receiver. The outer ring features a triangle to the bottom left hand side to suggest that the entire symbol is a speech bubble. The suggestion of the handset earpiece and the speech bubble combined emphasise the industry of telecommunications. The shape is very simplistic, so it presents no constraints for application. Rides is an automobile enthusiast website. This icon is an example of creative use of negative space. In the logo we see a bonnet and roof of a car, and in the negative space we see headlights and windscreen. This effect is achieved by use of two simplistic shapes. This makes the overall shape neat, compact and highly brandable.